Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue doing the labs. We go to lab 3. This is the core part of our lab. In this lab, after doing this, you will create a dashboard for yourself, and if you have more investment interest, you can use this dashboard to do more investment analysis. And in this lab, we will help you to analyze financial statement ratios. And we also use the same techniques, same softwares. And let's go to identify the question part 1. We just need to think about how does XBRL fulfill the need for real-time accurate financial data, and why it's useful to compare multiple companies at once, because we just want to compare their financial performance and to make our bad investment decision. And second part, we just need to master the data and prepare for our analysis. We provide you 5 industries. You can choose one to conduct the analysis below. We provide retail companies such as Walmart, Target, Costco. We also provide technology companies such as Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and pharmaceutical, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, whatever, finance and energy, whatever you want, you can choose one. And then go to your web browser and go to this link. And after you go to this link, let us just open it. You can see you can just view it. Views only, so you cannot do anything. If we want to edit, so we need to file, we need to sign in and file here, make a copy, and then everything will be yours. Just here, files, make a copy, and everything can be modified by yourself. So this means you have the files for your own. And then you can rename it if desired, and then click OK, and it will save it. And then we want you to compare to different companies. So if you choose one of the companies, such as I want to choose the finance company, so I just input the 3 tickers and replace those with the new financial statement we want. You can see here, the first company I choose is JP Morgan Chase, and the second one is the Citigroup, and this one is Wells Fargo. We can see the 3 companies has been listed here because we use the formula to get the company name. You only need to change the ticker here. And after you do this, all the data will be pulled out. So then you just take a screenshot of everything you get and name it as screenshot 3A. Then the first part of the lab 3 is done. And here we also want to highlight there are some data missing. You can see here we only see something data is missing. So there are several possible reasons. First, the data could be 0. And second, it also can be like the tag is not, the company do not follow standard tag because no one helped to monitor the step. No one helped to monitor the company to do their tags. So sometimes they may make mistakes. So company's tag, they may be not follow the standard. Maybe some more space and no enough, maybe here is additional space, or some tab arrows or something, it can be happen, or they have their customer tag. And to find those data, we can also use our accounting knowledge based on our equation, such as we find the relationship between different items, such as assets equal to liability plus equity, such as this formula. We can find the missing data. And also, we can just go through their company's financial statement to get those data out. So all of those are solutions to help you to deal with this empty data. And then we go to the main part to analyze the financial ratios. Actually, everything has been prepared for you. So you just go to here. After you change the company ticker's name, so every data has been prepared. So all the stuff already be updated. So you can just go through it. We have different ratios folding ratios, liquidity ratios, activity ratio, financing probability, DuPont analysis, and everything has been listed in the summary tab. You can just go through it and check your knowledge. And based on those analysis, you can get some doubts, some ideas. You can just write something, and the only deliverable for this lab is ask you to take all the screenshots of all your ratios show across the tab. So you just simply need to go through all of those and take screenshots of each of the ratios. And you can also change the year if you want. For here, we just get a 2016. So the most recent year is from 2018. So you can just do flashback from 2015. Or you can change whatever, like more recent 2019. So everything will be flashback to this 2016. So you can change the year, change the company, do your own analysis. That's just for LabsRay.